Everyone, in today's video, we will learn how to access and use the clipboard feature in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer system. It doesn't matter whether you are using a laptop or PC. I'll show you in this video how to use clipboard in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So the guys first just go to start icon. You can see over here. Just right click on it and go to settings. As you can see, just tap on it. And from the settings section, guys, you can just now go to left and menu, just click on the system and you can see second one, just hit on it. And now guys, from here you can just come to right side and just try to slightly come down. Yeah, now from here, as you can see the clipboard, yeah, here. So now if you see the clipboard here, so just guy, before using it, it makes sure the clipboard is enabled. So if you hit on here, so now you can see the clipboard, save multiple items to your clipboard, press the Windows logo key plus V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. So you can see this is the already enabled it. And now guys, once enabled, if you do the Windows plus V, as you can see, yeah, this is the toggle button. So you can see, uh, so in this clipboard, if you just go to on top, you will get many options like emoji, and there are many options you will get it from here. So this enabled clipboard lets you cut, copy, and view your clipboard history, sync clipboard items across devices, clear clipboard data which when needed, pin frequently. So if you want to go to if you go to clipboard, and here guys, if you want to just you can pin frequently used items for quick access. So you can pin also, even insert emoji directly from the clipboard pane also, guys. So for the shortcut, once again, guys, just press Windows icon plus V. Automatically, the clipboard pop-up will appear on your screen, and you will see a list of everything you have copied recently. In yeah, it's fast, efficient, and super handy for productivity, guys. So, guys, if you found this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get the tech related videos. So, guys, thanks for watching.